What's up guys, welcome back to a video on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on my Laplaga bike. Let's get into it. So you have the bike here. We'll start off with the frame. We have a Laplaga frame from the MafiaBikes website. The seat we are running is the Laplaga seat from the MafiaBikes website as well. I've been doing loads of combos on it, so it's fading a little bit, but I've had the seat for ages, so quality's there, it's top tier. Got the Laplaga grip tape from the MafiaBikes website as well. We also have the red pegs from the MafiaBikes website as well. We have the Laplaga grip tape on the frame as well for doing like the combos when you stand here. The red Mafia pedals, Shimano Dior cranks as well. We also have a whole Shimano Dior gearing setup, derailleur, chain, cranks. We have a Shimano Dior brake on there, sharp. I like this brake, favourite combo brake. Don't like the MT200, mate. I used that and flopped on my ass. Don't use a brake, it's not sharp. Some red Mafia grips from the MafiaBikes website as well. Other side, a red Hope bolt with a Hope top cap as well. Coming down to the front, on the forks, we have RST forks. These come stock on the STB-R. I had that when I got my STB-R, so I'll put on there. Maxxis hookworms, front and back, 29 rims from MafiaBikes as well. Shimano bottom bracket. I've run through literally everything on this bike. Turn it around to the other side. With the suspension, you've got a lock standard, you know. Got clutch on the derailleur. Turn it on and off, you know. It's pretty much the bike. Should we get into some combos on the street? Show them something. I'll show you this Laplaga bike here. If you build one and get one off the MafiaBikes website, everything from the MafiaBikes website, you'll be the goat, mate. Right, look. First try. That was the first combo of the day, yeah. I didn't really land it because I'm a worm, you know. But let's get into some more clips. Right, well, what I'm going to do now, yeah, I'm going to do a high tower, and then I'm going to end the video because I'm struggling to breathe. Right, so now, yeah, I'm going to take my wheel off, and I'm going to do the high tower again, because I was not happy with my results last time. Not one bit. So take my wheel off, put it over there. You ready, yeah? Are you serious? Are you joking? My balls, bro! Ow! Oh! That's what I hit last time. So, doing a wheelie now. No front wheel. Keeping it over the bumps. Still got it. No front wheel on there as well. Still going. All you need to do no front wheel is brake control. Because the bike's so much higher. Oh my god, I'm swinging my arm around a bit here. There's a car at my house. Yeah, dropped it stylish as well.
We know it.
If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what sort of content you guys want to see. Because I'm going to be posting a lot. And BMW. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know, do exactly what I told you to. There's the bike. Go buy one. MafiaBikes website. Discount code soon. Question mark.
Hopefully.
Safe.